Yeah, hi friends, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Mike this side from the CFL, and I would like to share today some of a very good strategy with you. But after the stream, we will make this video as a private. It's not that it will be paid, but it will be only available to those who requested with their email, and they are the subscribers of the CFL YouTube. Uh, so this stream will be quite good and interesting, and you will get the insight of learning how to do trend trading, holding the trade for a longer time frame trend, or a scalping or a short term in a way that I do believe nobody has teach you before that, because this is different than I ever have seen in the industry. Anybody is teaching this structure. Let's see, once Preeti came online, you will start discussing about the strategy at that moment. So let me know how are you all. I hope can get the giveaway. Show my friend Karna. If you're lucky one today, and if we get 10 likes in our live stream, we will announce one winner. If we get 20 likes, we will announce two winners. If we get 30 likes, we will announce three winners. Means every 10 likes, we will increase the one winner. So 100 likes, 10 winners. 200 likes, 20 winners. But with the likes, you just not only like, you have to put your CFL dashboard username so that we should know that the person who are giving the likes are existing in the CFL, and among them we will choose the winners, and that's how the winners will get. If let's say only 10 CFL usernames are given and 20 likes are there, but among 10 we will only choose one, then, because we only get the 10 people who are asking for the giveaway. So if we have 20 likes and 20 usernames of CFL dashboard, among them we will choose two. So if we have 100 likes and 100 CFL usernames, we will choose 10 winners for today's stream. So the more likes and the more usernames we will add, the more winners we will choose. It all depends upon you, because we are the only platform which is trying to teach and make the traders successful and profitable. I don't know whether other platforms are doing that, because we are trying our level best so that traders become profitable, and they can trade and make, let's say, good money, so that when they trade in the CFL pool, they definitely are successful trader and earning a good money for themselves and as well as CFL pool money. As per to my understanding, I do believe that today the gold will go and touch this level, 4746, 4748 somewhere. And if it breaks this level and closing down this candle, 1 hour, let's say, yeah, and then we could hope and believe it will go quite more low, and the profits will be quite nice. So as well as we're looking the stream and trying to book the trades and profits. But the market is like going and touching the lows and then goes back up high and then comes back down and then goes back up. It's doing it multiple times, and multiple times I saw, few times I booked the profit, few times I hold it and get it into break even. So right now, like, my profit was quite good, and now it's going back up after touching the low. Let's hope for the best this time. It will really break through out, because I do believe there are a lot of buyers sitting on this trend line. And how I draw the trend lines, I draw the trend lines on the previous structures. For example, I do believe this trend line comes from the yeah, see, higher high and the next candle high. We draw this trend line, and you can see the market is trying to retest it. If it is staying above and going up, means it can be a strong buy trend. But if it is going down and testing the lower, Preeti is here. Let's welcome her. Hi, Preeti. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very, very fine. And sorry for the trade. I saw that it goes into the break even. The reason, what is happening? Going to show it's a very strong sell momentum. You can see market is going eventually again down. You see that where I told you it will average go on this. This is from
Yeah,
daily candle high and higher low touching, and I was drawing this line, remember? And then market
yeah,
goes and open above and then up and then close down and then up. But then it's again trying to retest these levels. So around 4 7, yeah, 5 4 or somewhere. We will see in a moment where it will go and retest this level. Yeah, something now 4 3. The previous was like here 48 somewhere here when I was talking to you. Yeah. So the answer is what is happening when market goes down, touch this level and goes back up. And then we are on break even, not on stops. And then hunt our break even and then come back again down. And how I'm
yeah,
taking this trade, again, I'm going to teach in this stream today. And after this stream is over, this will be again a private. Anybody can see it again, but they have to be a CFL Prop YouTube subscriber, and they have to ask us a permission that they want to view this. Then they have to give their email. We will add their email, and they can watch it anytime, again and again. It's free. This is why I'm trying to teach. This is one of the system which I invented long time back, and it's quite profitable if you see in this way. You see, this high was broken by this candle, correct?
yeah,
And when this high was broken, we mark it a line. We cannot make an immediate sell. A lot of young chaps I know, they make immediately sell and say, wow, such a big profit. Ah, candle low. Ah, no. But the answer is, if wow happens there, what they will do? Account bust, correct?
yeah,
So never do that. We will go into a smaller time frame to see what is happening in a smaller time frame. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. After the 4 hours, this candle finish. This was the height, and after 1 to third hour, market go and really hit hard here. Break this level. A lot of people think it's going up. Buy, buy, buy. No, 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 buy. We will wait for this. You see, we will go in a smaller and smaller and smaller time frames. Why we are doing that? So that we can understand where the what the market is doing here. You see here, and more lower. Okay, so market breakout here and start already struggle here and start coming down. Correct.
yeah.
So now what we will do is in this time frame we will take the previous candle breakout where this structure was formed. Correct. This was the lower low. Correct. Or no? This was the lower low
Yes.
before breaking the high here of the 4 hours. Always look for the higher time frames. In lower time frames, you can grab them. I will show you, but they are very narrow. If you're trading in 1 micro, 2 micro, it doesn't work. If you're trading with the bigger lots and scalping, then yeah, you can take a risk if you want to. But I don't like to take risk. So my entry is here. All right. I can take this as a stop. I can take this as a stop if I want to. You see here, this, correct?
Mm-hmm.
My entry, my stop. But it can hit and immediately can very fast can go up because this candle we don't know what has happened during this time. Might it can go up and can come down again. So to be safe, take a bit higher stop. No worries. But when this candle close, you can bring it to break even as well. Why? This is your target, which is already hit. You see here,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah,
So R to R, you see the market now. You see, yesterday also we were talking. Remember the market go crazy. Remember, $20
yeah,
move. See, same again. So the answer is simple. You have to keep an eye always on the market. Market is like that. If it breaks down and goes down, it really can go 4660. I do strongly believe it has a retest level of 46, 4400 levels. It will retest one time.
Right.
See, market is struggling here, very near to the line. Strong struggle here. We can see that.
Yeah.
And even though it's not drawn anywhere, I just take this high and draw this line. Do you realize it? From here, I draw this line. This is so far. How many weeks ago this line was? It was in March, somewhere 11. Can you imagine that? It's quite far, right?
Yeah.
And these levels are still respected because market tries to go above and struggling now down. If struggle down, then I strongly believe this level will be retested. See here, low, this low. So these are the levels 4733. And if it breaks and close here and then starts struggling here and then all the way down, then what I say that 20 800 or something like that levels we can see in maybe few weeks, months, whatever. We cannot predict that how many days or how fast it can go down. But strong belief the struggle before here are a lot of people sitting and waiting. Maybe the sellers will bring it down. Maybe they have to close the profit sale. Make sense? The
Yeah.
institution. So this level is very strong level, which is around 3500. And if we count about 60 that percent drop, which will come around 2800. So after that drop might there will be effect somewhere here, then boost back up and then struggle because this line will come down here, struggle and then after that. Nobody knows. We all can assume, we all can think. No, we cannot predict. We can just understand the markets can do. Like I told you earlier, there is a 100% chance of going down. I am also just trying to understand. I cannot predict. Right now we see 49 already. 48 I told you. Remember 4748?
Yes.
Somewhere there already reached it. Oh, it's beautiful. These lines are very beautiful. Okay, now what is happening? Okay, now we look today. Today the daily candle is going down after the open, true? So we go into 4 hours, which is the daily immediate after effect, correct? From daily is going down and down and down. So we look here below the open price of daily, the candle tries to go up, break it up here, remember? And in smaller time frame, we have the entry and the target, true? But if we don't want to
Yeah.
go into smaller time frame, there is another way. What we can do is we can take wait for this and the lower side of this candle is this. So you can open a sell here. No need to flip the times. If this like candle is there and you have the low breakout and this is the target 1600 to like 1 is to almost 2. So you are getting 1 is to 2. Is to go. Just open the sell, stop, and out. Or if you want to hold, again, if you hold and then goes back up, you are at break even, or you can hold the stop, then you are riding the trend all the way down. Correct?
Yeah.
So that's how this will work. You see now? Boom, 47,
Mm.
48. Wow. This is called the power of systems. I created a lot of very beautiful systems, which I strongly believe are very profitable. But the key is I was hunting for, I told you something different, something what it's like I am trading, I end up making money, I don't want to lose no matter what. That kind of system I generate, and it's working for me very beautifully. So I'm very, very happy with that. But I'm going to share all other systems which are very profitable, so all of you can become profitable. All right. Okay, now if we see here, we enter here, sorry, we look at the break and then the high, then the higher low break, and then we enter the trade and we can hold with the stop or we can close. It's up to us. It's, I would not say if you're doing closing here, it's called scalping 1:2. If you hold for this level, then you are going for short term. And if you're holding with the trailing, then you can imagine nobody can tell you seriously where the market will really go end up. You cannot, nobody can predict. Everybody can just tell you, oh, here to here, here to here. Everybody can do that. Okay, now what we will do is we will draw a line here and roughly we will go into the 1 hour time frame. You see, we will draw first the 4 hour candle here also. Now we go into 1 hour. See exactly here. Now in the 1 hour, do we see any trade here or any trades here? Some way here and then goes down. Whoa! You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, I actually was going to send you a message. Preeti, open again a trade. It will go really today very low because it's struggling and struggling and struggling. It will go quite low. I have the trades open in my section,
Oh,
and I have a very good profit right. Very good profit because I after hitting my
actually,
break even, I draw again the lines and I go again in the trade. I knew that it will go down. Why I knew, I tell you now. Mm, You see here, the 1 hour after it goes up and close our break even, it starts coming down. It was broken this high and this, correct? This low,
yeah.
this low. You see this low, this candle low. After eating our break evens, and it comes when it hit here, I open a sell. I take as a stop. When it makes like goes here, I now make it as a break even. So now I'm waiting and hoping, and I do believe that the market will. Oh, 33 level also broken. Remember, I just now told you 4733 also broken. So now we are looking forward for this level 46, 44. Hopefully, maybe. Because I think so strong news come, it's driving the market. Drive the market means more crazy means market can go down. Let's hope for the best. And never get angry with yourself for anything because what moment has been passed is past. Wait for the next moment. It will definitely come to you. And if you see the markets, they're always like that. I will show you Swiss cash, Swiss cash, euro, Swiss franc. Let's see that. 2015, if I can show you that day chart. Everybody's thinking if that chart again come and that moment can we can capture. So it's like that. You cannot say that that will come again or not. You cannot predict that. But that day happen. Again can happen. Yes, it can happen again. You have to look for 2015 if we get it. And, 2015. Oh, you see this? You see the gap? Are you there, Preeti?
Am I not visible?
You can listen to my voice.
Yes. Sorry. Am I visible now or not? Now I guess I'm visible.
Or you can say it, okay. Uh-oh, what is happening? 2015. Okay. somewhere here. I don't know whether they have the list data or something. You can check in the chat, GDP. Actually, it will be much fun. You will be surprised that how much movement was there, how much pips movement happened during Swiss franc in 2015. You are referring to the massive move during Swiss franc January 15 when the Swiss National Bank suddenly removed the Euro CHF. uh, this one dropped from 1.200 as low as to 0.85. That was roughly 3,000 to 3,500 pip, depending on the broker feed. So this was the biggest movement in the history in a single day.
Oh,
But practically, very few traders capture it safely. Like 5,000 pips, which is gold normal movements nowadays. In 2015, 5,000 pips in Swiss franc means that any currency was the biggest move up to till today. Up to till today, any currency gives this type of move in the day. No, nothing. A major forex has matched the 2015 Swiss cash in a single day. That event is still considered the most extreme in the modern FX history. Imagine now, it was happened in 6 to 10% drop in a minute, around
oh,
600,000 pips in 1 minute. Means in 2 3 minutes all was done. People were gone, bankrupt. A lot of brokers. So this type of movements happen. These type of movements, some people really make real massive money. There are like Black Swan, or like there are moments where the days when people have earned billion dollar even in a day. $1 billion is 10,000 crores. Yes, there are people who have earned in a day sometimes 20, 30,000 crores in a single day.
oh,
Yeah, like this type of gold today movement, you see, it's a massive movement. Actually, no matter what anybody says, it's a real good movement. Now it's giving a little bit of correction. I closed my trade already. So now I will wait for correction to come up and give me another entry in a smaller time frame, which I do believe we can get in either 5 minutes or maybe in 1 minute. 1 minute actually has little bit surpassed. I do believe 5. Let's see. Or maybe it will go to the previous low here. It will retest this level here. 4750, which is above this as well and here as well. And then if it breaks this level, 4744, I will make a sell, but after going up and then coming down. But if it breaks this high, then I will not consider this as an entry, then I will consider this as an entry. Looking at 15-minute time frame, it's quite far, so I will not consider that. But I strongly believe it will go up here and struggle and then will come down, and then this will be the entry, beautiful entry. And then if we
right.
make a sell here, because it goes quite low, but I close at 33 because my level was one of the level was 33, and when I see it's going back up again, I close my profits already. Yeah, 23 to 33. I missed 10 pips, $10 movement. Yeah, I missed this. So now I will re-enter here and try to capture again this one, which is another $20. This is called scalping. Make sense?
Yes.
I teach you a few days ago also, I do believe. Entry, but I was telling you to enter from here. Rather than entering from here, we take a previous breakdown, which already has given us such a beautiful movement. So we do believe. You see, now it's trying to move from here, but it's struggling. And let's see.
Hello, Gabby. We are good. How are you?
Sorry,
There was hello from Gabby.
I can't hear you.
Ah,
It's very slow your voice.
I'm so sorry.
No worries, no worries. It's okay.
Is it good now?
Yeah, fine, very fine.
Okay. So we have changed our giveaway criteria.
Oh,
Um,
that's simple. Remember, I told you every 10 likes we receive in the stream, we will announce one. If we receive 20 likes and 20 CFL, definitely dashboard username. So we will know, okay, these 20 people have, yeah, hello, Gabby. They have put their username of the CFL. Why username? Otherwise, how we will know how many people are there? If only two people are there, how we can choose from that CFL dashboard usernames? So if there are 10 dashboard usernames and 20 likes, we can still choose one at least a winner because there are 10 people already trying to say that, okay, guys, we are here. So among them, we choose one. But if we have 100 CFL usernames and 100 likes, we will choose 10 winners. So every 10 likes and 10 usernames, we will choose one winner. So in this way, the more likes and more people you will bring, all your friends and family, we are teaching something here to you to become a trader. Rather than just having a free giveaway and then blow it out for the gamble every now and then, it's useless. Learn the trading. I'm really teaching you something very successful and very profitable. Believe me, I am right now going to go on the stream from tomorrow for few hours in the afternoons and show traders all the systems and my open trades, how I'm trading in the real account, and then I will book the profit because I split now. What I learned that in Sexo I can open multiple sub accounts. So I open already my two sub more accounts, and I'm trading into that like my proper trading and one account which I will show to the traders. I keep it as a small account so traders should know that a small account also can earn the money. And I will use this system, this which I'm teaching today, to show them how to earn the money and they can start, even they can copy me if they don't want to learn because a lot of people, they feel like analyzing immediately is not easy and some more sitting on the chart is not their cup of tea. They just want to come 2 3 hours, enjoy the trade and go. So we welcome everyone. It's free and enjoy what we are doing. Yes, there will be sometimes some stop loss, but I do believe I try to immediately bring the stop loss always near, very near or break even. We will hit some break even, sometimes stop losses, but really good profits also will be there. So enjoy the day, not one or two trades. We will do multiple trades in a day wherever we can capture this type of movements. We execute the trades and profits. I will try to make the day either on a break even or on a profitable days rather than a losing day. That's what my focus will be. So anybody who's following or capturing my trades will become profitable. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start it like for few hours, like 4, 3, 4, 5 hours, not more than that, not 12 hour, 24 hour stream. Very difficult for me. Like 4, 5 hours, which is the prime time, let's say London time open. So we will capture that moment because movement starts then. In the Asia session, the movements are very slow. So we better capture at that time, and you all can come like London session start, trading start, and then we trade like few hours, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 now up to now, and Preeti will join the stream as well afterwards, or she is welcome to join early also if she is available. So to see the stream and learn as well as trade and make a career because a lot of people right now are going into trading. I can see from India and a lot of people are trading and trying to make their life into it. So that's the way it should be. Right now, we see that market is going down. Let's see in 1 hour time frame, because this structure what we were looking at never execute. Now this is the high broken of, if we say that the exact moment, and this is the low, but the profit will be very small. I will not go into it. And if we see this structure, after this go high, go low,
Can you
break out.
scroll the page up?
Oh,
Like
sorry,
it
sorry.
always like
I will do that.
gets
You
hid behind the text.
okay? Can you see that now?
Yes.
Okay, that's right. I'm so sorry for that, because I don't realize yeah the text cover actually. So now when we are looking into the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute was already trend above, because the first breakout here happened, and then the low also breakout happened. The target was this, which hit almost there, but this is not a good profit to risk to reward, so I will not take this trade in 1 minute even. And now we are looking into the 5 minute, which we hope that it will go up here and then it will come down. This will be the high of the zigzag if we are taking zigzag, broken high and then come back low, and then this will be the entry. But if this goes above here and start fighting here, then we will look at 15 minutes as well. You see now 15 minutes is here. Break, high break, 15 minutes, and low break. Correct? So we see if the structure form. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. But if it is going down, let it go down. I don't want to go into the trade, which is going to give me a risky levels, because right now the 1 minute was already in a buy trend. We are only looking for the last candle breakout, like this last candle breakout, and then goes and give us somewhere entry of the previous low breakout. This low is here breakout for this candle. I will not go into this here sell to grab only risk it. Let's say 100 pips and reward is only maybe 2 3 pips. I will not go into this trade. Sorry. Now, if we see in the buy trend of the 5 minute, low was broken, and if it is going up and hunting this and break out this level high, it will focus on going here up to here somewhere. So let's see. Market is like a ping pong. It will always okay. Have you seen the ping pong? It's a screen like top and the bottom, and your cursor is somewhere here, like a stable small cursor, which is in your control. You can move it only, and the ball is running and going, falling on the wall and breaking the high somewhere if there is something to catch, or something which you can make the point. So something like trading is like this. It's a double side ping pong, not single side. So market is going and like here and then goes back up. You see how fast it goes back up, break up, and it will retest this level value. First, definitely this, and then 15 minutes. That's how the market actually moves. If you understand this structure and you focus on that, you will really capture good moves and really start making good money in multiple time frames. And but there will be losses as well. I'm not saying that 100% profits. There is no such any system. I told you I've developed a lot of systems, thousands and thousands of systems, but I couldn't find any one system which can tell me, okay, man, we will never give you a single loss. No such thing. If anybody again claims, they are lying to you. Anybody who is showing their screen shares, oh, look, only profits, only profits. Again, yes, you can do that in a way that you let the losing trades keep it open. Example, uh, my account balance, let's say, is 100K. I open the micro lots, buy. They are in loss. And then I make a sell. I close the profit. Now I go to my history and I show all my profitable trades. But my open already have lot of losses holding on, which I'm not showing to it. Make sense to you, Preeti?
Right.
That's how the people do. I've seen that people doing. They have buy also in the same account. They have sell also. Whichever profitable, they will close for that day and share the screen. See how many profits I'm booking? How good my strategy is? Because they want to scam people.
So
But they
those
will,
people who hide their losses, you should always stay away from them.
yeah, today I told you there's a girl in India. She's doing the stream. I was watching her from 1 week class already now. Then I go and look back all her previous also from 1 month. She's just coming online. I start looking all her previous videos. When the market was trending crazily, she was hitting losing crazily, and I was shocked. Means in trending market, her system doesn't work. And then when the market is right now in the range, she was making good profits. See, she was shouting on her YouTube stream, "I'm making profits. Join my VIP. Join my VIP. Open the account with this broker." Why this broker? Because she's getting 20% definitely commission on the deposit itself. So let's say if Preeti joined with her link with $1,000, she will get 20% means $200 immediately from the broker. And because the broker is putting the conditions, he is giving you bonus amount, so he lock your money there. You cannot withdraw until X amount of trades are not being executed. Can you imagine? So once you are trying to withdraw that money, they will say cannot because they already have given the commission to that person. Otherwise, she herself will deposit from different friends' accounts name and get the commissions, and later they withdraw. The broker is stupid. No, he's not stupid. He's definitely sitting there for making money as well. So he will.
Brokers are making insane money
Yes.
with
So
losing, with traders losing. They are
traders are
not
losers.
making that much of
But now
money
she
when
is showing
traders
that
are
traders, I
winning.
am a very successful trader. What she is showing, I'm a very successful trader. Let's say Preeti. Preeti go and start showing she's very successful trader, very successful trader, very successful. What the traders will do? Hundreds of them will join. Hundreds of them, not even 1 to 10, 20. And all these traders, they will copy it. But
Right.
if you lose, they lose. But if you make, they make. But now you are putting the condition if you want to copy my trades, you have to go and deposit with the broker. You are not asking the money. So they deposit, they start trading there. If they make money, is good. If they lose money, they lose money. But you are already getting your commission. That's how the system works with the
And
broker stuff.
you know, it is like very harmful for newbies, I feel, because when I was new, I did join a trading group. So
Okay.
uh, I did not know that stop loss should be like very apt. I was
Yeah.
always like once or twice my stop loss like hit. I used
Mhm.
to stop exiting at that point, so I got into bigger losses
Oh
because
my God.
newbies don't know that they should cut, or I don't think they know the importance of a stop loss. They don't know
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So they even book bigger losses than the trader itself
Yeah. Yeah. Very true. Never
because
do
it has
that.
happened with me because they are gambling. They don't know trading as like I don't know what do you call it. They don't see it in a strategical way, but they are gambling. And once they see it that, okay, my SL hit, and then the market went into that direction, so they'll stop putting SL the next time and they'll book even bigger losses. And this happens
Yeah.
because they're
That
not getting that knowledge, right?
no, they are not getting the knowledge of how important the stop loss is. If you don't know how to manage your losses, until unless you are
Even
trading.
I feel those newbies that are coming and joining their groups, they don't even know how to actually put right quantity and how the like your broker app works. They don't even know that. It's very typical, I feel.
Yeah, very true.
So there's no like information for them. They're just eating their money.
Look, the affiliate, like all these YouTubers, they come online, they trade. Either they are a trend trader, then they lose in the ranging. Either they are range trader, then they lose in the trends. Like I spoke about this girl, I was also telling you, I will let you know who is she, and then you can also follow. But let me first check everything. When I check all her screens, and then I understand that she don't know the trend, and now the trend is going to form soon, and then I do strongly believe she will lose a big time, but in the meantime, when the market was ranging for these few weeks, she already found a very big community. A lot of traders is following. A lot of traders had opened the account with the broker. She already get a lot of commission. She's very happy already. Now, the when the losing will come, all the traders will lose very big. She will just disappear. But now, because one of the trader even in the group say, I saw you before that you were trading in Indian market, blah blah blah, in this, and you have lost very big time. No, no, no. I just recently started 1 month ago only in forex. Indian markets I don't trade. She say like that. But the guy say again, I saw you there. I saw you. So these are all same people. They repeat again. They do the same games everywhere in different markets. They find the people. They scan them very smartly. Oh, gone already up. You see, and trying to test these levels which I draw just now. See here struggle.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we will look into a smaller time frame, you see, and then if it breaks down this, we'll go for the sell with the higher the stop. You can also try. Okay, and then the key was what happened today. She opened the trade in the gold buy. She put in the telegram, lost it, put stop loss also in the telegram also. But after a while, the telegram, the trade and the stop loss message both disappeared. You understand what they do? They delete their lost trades when they post later on.
I've
So
seen that.
yeah, it's not a good idea. It's like a scam that you're trying to scam people. That you know trading, but when the losses hit, you later delete this messages. Okay, then another loss hit. Then she say, "Oh, today the gold is funny. It's not moving according to us. Gold never move according to you.
Yes, it will never move according to you. It's gold.
Yeah, no, not
The
even any.
world is behind it.
Yeah." And then after hitting losses, then she started, oh, we will not trade in gold, we will only trade in Bitcoin. And lucky that Bitcoin hit the profit and they cover the losses. Okay. And then they go into another gold sell. Then also hit the profit. Then she was shouting, see, I know. I was thinking, when the losses happen, there was this voice and there was the trade, you would delete them. At that moment, you never say see, that was already disappeared already. So, in this type of person, you cannot blindly believe them. You really cannot blindly believe them until unless you really test them. When the market will start the trends in next maybe a week or a few days or a month in one side, not ranging, then we will know. Like trends mean massive trends. Like previously in March, the whole March was really beautiful trending, and before that also few months were trending. So in that type of times, they never come. The moment trend era finish, almost they jump into the live stream and start showing, oh, we have this. Dangerous. They know that the market is ranging, it will boom back, up, down, up, down. They have a simple strategy, which I am also teaching you at the moment. With the trend movements, they only know how to do the reversals with them. So reversals also I will one day teach you how to pick the top sample. We don't miss this one. Let me mark. I love while you're talking. If it comes down, we have at this time. Okay. Okay. Example. Let's say we go 100. Okay, market was going down here from how to capture the buy movement exactly somewhere nearby from here, or there are like certain places, not everywhere. Definitely high time frame will be less, smaller time frame will be more. Like this here also, and from this place as well. Okay, remember on the second April I was telling you, like here also we can capture that movement straight sun. From here as well. Yeah, this was second April. Like this type of structures, we can capture the top and bottoms, but it happens rare, not every day. And then when you capture, it's a real big piece. Like today morning, here, actually I was awake and I was watching, but I was actually very also tired, and the market was a bit struggle here. So I was thinking not to open because I'm going to sleep for a while. And then I sleep and the market was already here when I wake up. So then I wait for the right moment, this, and I open the trade and then I go into the trades. Now again we are looking for 15-minute movement here, which I do believe will get over here somewhere now. You see it start coming down and it breaks this previous candle low here. I will definitely going to sell with that height of this, or you can go for the stop loss. You see the moment?
Yeah.
It starts, and you see it's over here. It was a up break, so it's a bit struggle here. But if it breaks down here, I do believe it will catch the momentum again, very strong momentum downwards. So that's how the trading works. You just have to understand it's a ping pong. High break and then starts going down. It's already like a lot of people, if let's say go into the buy, it will really eat them out. See, it goes down all the way. Same kind of move. Make sense?
Yeah.
So capturing of the single break is always a wrong movement to do it. And if you look for the high time, you see here was a struggle and then goes up again. And now we are looking for a higher time frame, which is quite far away. I don't think so it will go. It's just retesting people. It's testing the patience. Let's see. So Preeti ji, you also trade quite long already. Do you believe this way of trading or you believe in a different way of trading?
I'm still like figuring out everything. I can't say.
No, it's figuring out is one thing. One thing is like you want to continue learning, or after learning you want to earn the money as well.
I do want to earn the money as well.
Yeah. To earn the money you have to understand what you have learned so far, what really works for you. Because I can understand you want to take a limited trade, you want to ride the trends with a small lots. So you need to capture the trades on a higher time frame. Don't go for lower time frame. Then you will go into like earlier. If you go into your chart, I've given you uh, like the structure there. Here the sell, where the buy. If you look, I'm going already. Yeah, it was 4793.35 a sell trade and 4797 only $4, correct? Stop loss less than even four. Let's say four. And then after that, you can see the market goes to the break even, but never hit the stop loss again, and then it goes down and down and down and down. And TP, which was 4748, was long, then broken, and then some more down it goes to 27. So it means it was a beautiful trade. True.
So what was the logic behind this trade? Can you please explain?
I just now explained everything to you just now in this stream. That's what I say you see here. Okay. What was the
Sorry,
numbers? Four.
I just lost my internet connection like a minute ago.
Okay, no problem, no problem. You see here, the 4 hour candle high was broken, correct?
Yeah,
What is the number here?
4797.
Yeah. And you check your stop loss, what I told you. Go on to your chart, there is, I think so, lines and numbers still there, right?
Yeah,
Can you see the number 4797, correct?
yeah.
And the entry was 479.
I think it was 93 or 92.
94. True?
It was actually 4781, the
No, go to
entry,
your
and
chart. No, no, that was later entry. I'm talking about the early, which was on your chart. Can you see on your
okay.
chart the lines drawn or not?
Yeah.
Can you see the arrow there?
Hmm.
4793, 4797. Can you see the arrow and the cross and the two lines horizontal?
Yeah.
Can you or not?
4793.
Okay, alert. You can see the alert 479 somewhere 7. You can see the alert.
Yeah.
That is the place was the stop loss, and there was 4793.35 was the sell trade.
Yeah. So it was based on that uh, candle high break against the trend, and then when it breaks down, you enter.
Yes, when it breaks up, it was this. You can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when it breaks up, we didn't took the trade. We are not going to take the trade because it can go up like this. Just now, if we open the trade, okay, I will show you here. If I took the trade on this place, it never goes down. It goes all the way up, right? I will
Hmm.
lose, right? So we cannot do that. We have to wait for the right movement after this break happens. How the right moment will come? We go into lower time frames and we see after the high was broken, there in the smaller time frames, we get the entry. Entry on based of what? Entry on the based of the previous any low breakout to capture that trade. Example, this was the high breakout and this I took. Oh, yeah, this I took as a sell, like, for that trade. So first the high was broken, and then when the low was broken, somewhere 94.37, I immediately make a sell call. After a sell call, I keep this as a stop loss, and this should be my TP1. But I was taking the trend lines. Remember, I show you, I say you the like the TP is down, and then market goes up and hunt our break even. Correct?
Yeah.
And still the stop loss was not hunted, and market comes down. And when it comes down, this my also trade was on break even. Then I look for this now, this structure with the zigzag, because zigzag give me immediately entry rather than I wait and wait and wait and waste my time. So high broken, when this candle, the zigzag high is broken, and when this candle zigzag which breaks and gives the new low was broken, I open a new sell, and this was my TP. And when it goes somewhere here and touch, you see, and I was saying, remember at that moment market is going up and testing, blah blah blah. again going up. But I hold it again this time for my break even. But lucky it was going down, and then I closed somewhere at 473. You remember I told you?
Yeah.
That's it. I capture from here to here this move.
Wow.
Because I never took this as well because it breaks very fast, and I knew that it will test now the higher time frame, my trend lines. My higher time frame trend lines were, which I drew from one from here to here. Remember I told you
Hmm.
thing like so. This was here. So it was a move, and then the lower was somewhere on this side, somewhere here from this level. Remember? Low, this was the high, this was the lower low. You see, this is called higher high, higher low. Oh, trade is coming. So we have to look at the trade now. Okay, sell trade. I opened the sell already with the 10-minute high. Let's say we mark this as a sell. Alert. Okay, sell alert. So this is our stop loss 58, like 57, 58, whatever you take. And this will be our TP for immediate. If you want to hold, then make the trade break even and hold. I would love to
Right.
hold because I strongly believe if it breaks this again and breaks this low and starts more dropping down, the next target can be 66, somewhere 60. Another trend line was there previous from the previous. I have drawn the trend lines that was telling me that it will be the one. So now this is the current trade. How you see here, the high was broken. If we take this high as well, no, not an issue. But this was the high. This one also can high. We always have to look for the previous high. High broken. Now this candle low was broken where we opened the sell. Remember
Yeah.
this candle, and this as a stop, and this as a target. TP1, TP1, and hold it if it goes down. If it really goes down, then we are going to make a good profit. But if it goes up, we will hit a loss. That's all we have to accept that both sides. Make sense logically to you?
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, it's below this strong line, which is lower lows. You see that? And
Hmm.
first below this. This is already a previous low, just now recently formed after breaking this low. Market goes up, try to go up, but the buyers were not strong. That's what I say buyer, seller, buyer, seller. And now you see we already start getting the profit. And if it goes here, 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 and if touch this line, I would say make it a break even. If touch this line, you want to book some partial profits, and then goes down, hold it until 66, 6660. I will hold that. I mark them on the chart always. Here, let's go for this one. Here, can you see this line?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the next strong trend line.
The
46.
lower one I can't see, like behind the text.
Okay, I will make this as a, like this. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's zoom it out. Zoom it out. And then we will make it 20. So hopefully it can go and touch this 46, 64, 60, somewhere like this. Okay. So that's my understanding. It will go and touch it. I cannot predict it. Okay, I'm just making my lines, and I always look at that. It always gives me the profit. Like if we look the monthly, which nobody, I don't know how many people have known that. Like a lot of people claim afterwards as well, uh, which I told you previously as well. Okay, let's remove. I've even created the indicator based on math logic of the breakout, which I'm going to share later, which will show you the movement. So something like this, you will always do the line, and you see eventually market really go and hit that level. True.
Right.
So in the same way, if you look for the lower level somewhere, it should come somewhere here, 2667. This was the recent, see here in the monthly, this was the lower low, lower high, and all the way to the top, right? So
Hmm.
it is going to either test this level somewhere on this trend line or up to here as well. Because if we see the struggle over here also in the monthly, in the gold, it was quite good struggle here, remember? We
Yes.
discussed about it. This is a monthly chart. There was struggle. So we can see the movement up to here. But it can come somewhere here or like here or up to here, whatever. And then can go back up and come down. Just like that moves. Because this was the previous struggle and then market goes down. And then again struggle and market goes up. And hit this trend line, which was from here to here, the height, and then drops back down. Struggling and struggling. Okay, what we were saying about the indicator. Let me show you that. Maybe better open another from there. Don't disturb that channel. Okay, for some time. So, yeah, see, this will make that one. I'm going to show you something which you will be shocked. Out of 1,000 my signals, how many times the high was broken? Okay.
199.
And how many times the low was broken?
208.
And where the market is going?
It's
Going down already?
downside. Yeah.
Downside. Right? So this my indicator balance me and tell me where the market is heading towards. Now it's telling me it's going down. I've created that kind of signals also. Mathematically, it's showing me it's going down, and you can see the markets are going down. Correct?
Yes.
So I can see in any time frame it will be different. See in this time frame, buyer is stronger. So eventually the market was up. You see that?
Hmm.
So every time frame has its own structure. You see here. 241, 224, where the market is heading now overall.
Right.
We do more lower. See? Down. More lower. See? 209, 233. Strongly down. True?
Yeah.
209, 224. Down. So when it is going down, what I shall do? I should only look for sells, not for buy.
Yeah.
That's how my structures, my mathematic models guide me. See, in 1 minute, 179, 219 out of 1,000 candles. Now we look for How many? I will show you in the picture. Okay, let's say 10,000. Out of 10,000, 2198, 2181. It's still in a pie structure. You see that? Out of
Yeah.
10,000. 10,000 means, I don't know how far it will. See here, all these dots are still there. You see?
Hmm.
Because it will look for the 10,000 somewhere here. Do a line here somewhere. Then we go to the front line. And then we will see where the was. See here? So overall market is going up. Correct?
Yeah.
But if we go for 100 now, what it will show to us? Oh, so out of 100, it is showing it's going down. See here?
Hmm.
It's eventually going down, correct?
Right.
Down, yes. Down, yes. Down, yes. You see from here, down. In this, you see, overall, if we start from here, it's almost there balancing 21, 24. Yes, it's up. Yes, it was up, but now it's coming to the level where if the sell increase, it will start going down. True?
Yeah.
See here. I was 23, low is 21, overall 21, and 20, low is 23. So market is being still strong. If we see from here, yes, it was down, but it's overall start going up. It gives you a rough estimation where the market will head towards 21, 23, overall down from here at the top. So it has meanings why it is doing that, why it is the reason why it is showing you this. These are the numbers, why the numbers are saying that the sells are more than the buys are more. Uh, so as per to that, what I see when I look at the market strength, I have a rough idea where the market is heading towards. It's like counting the steps. Are the steps going up or are the steps going down? These are going down, right? These
Right.
are going up. So down means lower side. True?
Yeah.
So that's what it is. Down means lower side. Okay, now we look at our gold. Where the gold is going down or up. Okay, it goes a bit low and then starts struggling here, but still lower than this. So we are safe. I better have a mark here and then mark also. Here we have opened the trade roughly here. It goes actually 36. Whoa. Our trade was on 43, right?
Yeah.
43 to 700 from 70 pips. 36 to 53. Yeah. $7 more. But not strong movement. Goes back to break even. And it's still moving. 2 should hunt for that. If it breaks that level, then hopefully expecting for this 4660. Then it goes down, it starts struggling and then goes down. I don't know why I have strong belief it will go down. Not today, in few days, 2 weeks, it will go eventually down. Because it's again like structure forming. See there, this low, and then there's a high, broken. And then if market goes down and break this low, which is 4400 somewhere levels, I do believe. Yeah, 44 something. And this movement, what happened in few hours? Do you remember that day, March? Very fast it goes down and then pulls back up. Very fast. In few hours. This
Yeah.
400 last $400, USD movement was very fast. The 46, sorry, 46. 40, sorry, 44. 41. Yeah, this movement happened very fast. Down and then up. Same day. You see on this movement. Okay, struggling pretty here. If you want to close, you can close that pretty. But I will hold because I do strongly believe it's struggling. Um, this this kind of high, but this kind of high broken, then this will be the target. Let's see as to what it can go. This will be 940 and the reward will be 1160. Okay, not bad. I'm going to close the trade. Even in a small loss or small profit. Now
You're
it's
closing
low, so
it?
I hold. I'm going to close it because it can really go up and one time touch the high of this, which I show you just now. And see,
Yeah.
it's start going up high of this. But if you want
I
to go in a
closed
buy
it
trade,
well.
sorry,
No, I'm not looking for buys. I'm actually looking for a good sell entry
no,
too.
no, I'm just telling you if somebody wants to go into the buy, it can be the next target. But I will not go into the buy because overall it's a strong sell of a daily candle. And then if we see the 4 hour candle also is a strong sell. Yes, it's a 1 hour also. Oh, 1 hour already is showing the buy movement of it. 30 minute, 15 minute buy movement. Yeah, because of this, it can be back a little bit up. That's called the ping pong. Did wake up already?
Yeah.
This will be the next data. Or if there is a trend line, it will shift for. Yeah, because this will struggle and then a better get out on a small loss than or a break even rather than sorry to be having a holding a big loss.
Right.
Why why small loss is very easy to cover, trust me. 5, 10, 15, $20 is easy to cover rather than let's say your account is of a $1,000 and you have a loss of $2, $3 and you book that loss. You will say, oh, why I'm booking later market go in my five. We will go again later in the trade. Like previous my trade, I told you hit a break even of this one. Remember? Uh,
Yeah.
just now on this one. my trade hit a break even at this level, and then when I get a re-entry on a lower time frame again, somewhere, yeah, here, and then I enter a sell and I hold it, and then goes all the way to my profit.
Right.
Yeah, 79. Yeah, 79. Yeah, somewhere here. I enter the sell. 79. I stop. Yeah, and when it hit here, I was talking to you. I make the trade break even. When it hit low and 33, I put. So I grab 470 pips, which is $47.
Wow.
Yeah. In YouTube, I saw this YouTuber. They capture only 10, 15, 20 like dollar movement, jumping very high. Wow, so much. I captured already $10 movement. I was thinking when I captured the day 600, $700 movement, which is 7,000 pips. They're capturing $10 movement and jumping so high. Imagine, I really captured that kind of movements in my trading with Saxo Bank. $600, $700,
Wow.
like 200, $300 multiple times. Even on this day, second, yeah, this was my entry somewhere here. I remember told you somewhere 86, yeah, and my somewhere exit was here 54. So it was 200, yeah, 200 something, like
Wow.
$220 means 2,230 pips. This was my 1 day capture, same day. And then after that, I go into another one buy in the smaller time frame, looking because market was really pulling back up and trend was eventually up. This was the capture against the trend because I told you some places I know where to go into them or sometimes the lower sides. So I captured that only sometime happen, not every day. Uh, and then I go into the buys and I captured the buy on the same day. No, sorry, on the next following day. On the same day also I captured it. Capture, I remember the buy here. Sure. April, April. This was the moment that I close somewhere here. 64, yeah, somewhere here. And then after that, I went into the five trade. Then this happened, and then this happened, and then there's some entry here, and then capture this here. Capture from here to here, this moment I did. Yeah, this was my moment, which I captured another one and executed after. Yeah, something like that. So that's how I capture the points. That's how I try to make the profit. That's how I try to grab the different structures I have. I look into them very carefully. Never hit this high, but so to be gone down and then gone up. Executed here, only a few dollar loss, and then struggling a bit. Why the candle movement is important? Can you tell me, Preeti?
Why the candle movement is important?
Yeah, this is very important question.
It is the prices movement. So,
Yes.
where is it closing, where is it opening, and where is it not able to close? I think that is important to
I will
have
tell
an
you.
idea. Hmm.
Okay. When the candle open, you see any candle, it will give you some. wick, and then the body is always bigger, right? Every candle has a small wicks and then body is bigger. Don't look at the behind trend, not look at the current candle. So daily candle, if it is going up, means it's a buy trend, correct?
Hmm.
But it can give a little bit wick and then comes down and can give you sell trend. But above the open and below the open is the trend. Up is buy, down is sell. Like here is a sell. So today is a strong sell of daily candle movement. Now you see in the 4 hours. Sell, 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 correct? But you will say
Yeah.
here is the buy. So when there is a buy at this point from here to here, but never break this previous high, you see, this is almost like 14, $15, $16 movement. What you can do is look into this movement in the smaller time frames. You see it? So is there any structure which gives you the entry to capture that moment? If you want to go against the trend at that place with the 4 hour candle movement, it's in a 1 minute time frame, break down. This was the high of this zigzag candle, low 227, profit 426, 1 is to almost 7 R2R to capture this. You
Yeah.
realize? Even though there's a strong trend of sell, you can capture a buy trades doing this methods with the zigzag or with the candle structure. Actually, the zigzag is based on the candle. Zigzag is just a zigzag of this time frame, but if you go a higher time frame, it's just a candle movement. You see it? Same place.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to use any indicator, you can straight take the candles just like I was taking the movement here, going up and down, and this was the sell was the low, and the market goes down, and then you see here the market goes up, up, and then down, and then this broke already, sell formed, stop loss, but this is eventually called higher high. This is eventually called higher low. This is called lower high. And higher high means the trend can be a strong buy. So of this time frame. So I will not go into that trade because it's going to be a range. You see, candle in between is called a range.
Range.
We will not go into this trade. Why we go into that trades? Why? Because that was a higher time frame movements where the candle high was broken, sell trend was strongly formed, and when the low of the same previous time frame candle was broken after breaking the high, so we believe that market will go and break the previous lows. So that's where I took those trades. Yes, sometimes hit stop losses, but majority of time stop loss are quite near or on break even or a massive profits. Just now I was talking to you and I told you I closed the trade, I took the profit. Yes, I sincerely took the profit. Somehow when I will start this live, this is called scalping short term and a bit long term also. We will show to the traders from the higher time frames will capture the trades from daily. Definitely it will be a long like movements, few $100, sorry, few hundred USD like dollar movement. You can see pips like 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips, like 6,000 pips movement. So we will capture those. Like here in the daily, I captured this movement. You see here the strong sell,
Yeah.
and then enter here. I'm taking your time, sorry, because but I'm trying to explain you. Maybe you will understand. So I took this. I took this as a stop, correct?
Yeah.
And you see low, almost 1:3 or 4 R2R, but I hold. I knew I wrote my line like a trend line. So I hold, and I capture until somewhere 600 points here, somewhere here. This was my $600 move that few days. I told you, remember that time I told you I hold for 4 days,
Yeah.
something like this. So this was the movement. A few days I hold at, and then I close. Like if you do this, you will really capture good moves, but you will say where I should close, how I should know. I will close immediately or candle close. Yes, you can do a TP1 candle close for TP2, but if you write the trend, it's for TP3. And writing the trend is always I draw the trend line. That's all. Yes, multiple times it gives me very beautiful exits, but sometimes it goes near and starts pulling back. That time is very sad time, when it
Mhm.
goes. Just now, what happened? Remember when we were waiting, it goes to quite low today, and then it goes back up. Remember that moment?
Yeah.
When we hit the break even on this place. It goes here, and then goes up. It was quite low, 61. Our target was 48, but it goes up
48.
and break even, and then start coming down and enter. So something like this. Sorry, Preeti, I took a lot of your time today to explain you this.
It's
Hopefully,
not a problem. I'm
yeah,
learning.
yeah, better learn it and practice it. Because the more you will practice, that's only will make you perfect. Because I don't know what you learned before. I don't know how much successful that is. Because this one I have tested. I told you 10 years back on the EA, and then I have tested it like few months on the forward test on the demo and in the live as well. Now I'm going to trade with this system on the live on the Sexo account for the traders to see, to understand that if that system will be really going to make the profits. We will do scalping, we will do short term, we will do some long terms. Yeah, hi J Sweet, how are you? And we need more people likes and our CFL dashboard username mentioned here so that we can choose the instant winner. Today again, only 3 people. Likes I don't know. Can you see how many likes are there on the screen?
Yeah, it's 7.
7. 3 more likes, my friend, and you will get 1% reward. Now, Manpreeti, you choose somebody today who you want to make a winner. 7 likes is okay too. Because after that will be 10 definitely.
Okay, so today's winner is Kiran PS438. The only thing is that this person has not mentioned their CFL dashboard username.
I don't know, but they just write down Kiran PS438. You are the today's 100K winner. Preeti have chosen you. You are having a good luck.
Congratulations.
But trade carefully. Peak equity is really difficult. So I am teaching also the trading to you, all of you who are joining. You can invite your lot of friends and family. We are the only prop firm where we want the traders to be successful so that you earn the money in our full accounts and we also earn the money together with you. That's our belief, and we are trying to teach everything what is really successful. These are all the structures and systems which I'm going to teach are tested by me personally from not like 1 2 months, back tested 10 years and forward tested 2 months, and then after that live trading as well, and which I'm going to start with this today's structure. You will see in next 1 2 months, even in the trends or in the ranging markets, you just have to be careful with this structure. You make the profits or you close sometime in break evens or small losses. That's all I believe. A lot of profits will hit, which will be R2R very good sometime. So it will always give you profits, and but always trade small. Risk management is very very important as per to my understanding from my 19 is 20 years experience. You can say now this year that risk management is really very important. And risk management means not 1% is risk management, not 0.25. You can roughly take an idea of $1,000 account, you shouldn't trade more than 0.01 micro in the gold. So if you have 100,000 account, maximum open trades, even in 1 or 20 trades are open, altogether should not be more than one lot. So let's say if you are opening the first trade, it should be 0.05 if you are willing to open 20 trades. So overall, it will become one standard lot. But if you're trading like me, only one trade at a moment, then you should only go for one standard lot in 100,000 account, not more than that. That's all what I believe you should do. But if you are trying to do higher trades and risking higher, it will always blow up your account. Because once you start losing money, once you lose 10%, 20%, 30%, you will not able to recover. I knew that. I've seen thousands of traders, not even hundreds. They all lose their account because of that. So thank you very much, Preeti ji. You look a bit tired. Please take a good rest. Sleep very well. Hey, did you get your medicine? Remember supplement I told you? Magnesium, calcium.
No, I don't know what happened. It's not delivered to me yet. So I'll just check again
Yeah.
that's because when you're too much on the screen now, so your eyes are like that, I think. You
Yeah,
cannot
but if
sleep like
you
that.
believe me, if you eat that supplement, it's actually not even a medicine. I also myself took time
It's
to
a
time.
supplement.
It really helps me a lot because I work really very hard. I sleep like 10, 12, 15 hours maximum in a week. So it really helps me. By the weekend, I am already very tired. So I took only on Saturday night and Sunday night. And then Monday, I'm back fresh again, full with all energy and power. That's how I recover myself. Because when you take that supplement and when you sleep, when you wake up, you really don't feel tired anymore. It's not something else. It calms down all your nerve. Magnesium is for calming nerve and
Yeah,
relaxing all mind. Everything becomes like zen. Very nice, very good.
right.
Thank you very much. Have a good day and please send your banking details. I requested you earlier.
Yeah, yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
You too. Bye bye.
Okay, guys. Congratulations, Kiran, again for your today's 100K account as a winner. But from please tomorrow onwards, guys, 10 likes, then only we will announce who is the winner. Today is 7 only likes. So it's not about we want the likes. We want that how many people come and learn. How many people are really trying to learn the trading from us. We will start trading itself on the live from London session tomorrow for a few hours up to the night when Preeti will join and we will do the streams. So you guys can learn as well as trade and start becoming successful in your trading journey. But if you still continue to gamble, which it might you will not like it, but I'm saying, but it will not take you anywhere because I've seen traders from 25, 30 years, they're doing this and they get nowhere, but definitely they have lost a lot of their money and their time. So don't do that. I put 19 years, 20 years almost my effort to find all the structures and all the systems which are working, which I'm teaching you all guys free here, not charging any single cent, which all the people, I don't know what they teach, whether they have tested even or not. They just learn from somewhere or teach somewhere, whatever. That doesn't work, and they just gamble. They show that oh, they have earned $10,000. Next day they lose $20,000, and they earn $15,000. That's all gambling, which we don't do. So hopefully you will start enjoying trading our stream from tomorrow onwards, like from London session until night, like few hours, 5, 6, 7 hours, and then please come and join and learn. And on the live, you can even copy our trades. We don't say anything to anyone that you cannot copy, but always remember, low risk that will be making you a successful trader. If you're taking high risk, it will make you a trader which will lose the money, which I don't recommend. You can see in my account as well. I will show you how much small lots I will be using, micro lots even, for trading, so that the account should be safe and I should be like keeping and making money. Thank you very much, guys. See you again tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.